Web 3.0 explained in simple terms. Welcome to the next future, where we simplify complex tech topics for everyone. Today we embark on a comprehensive exploration of Web 3.0, shedding light on its intricate aspects and profound implications. In this extended discussion, we will take a deep dive into Web 3.0, unraveling its complexities and presenting you with a holistic understanding of this transformative concept. Web 3.0 isn't just a distant future, it's a dynamic reality that is already reshaping the digital landscape in ways we could hardly have imagined. Have you ever been curious about Web 3.0 and wondered how it impacts your digital life? Over the course of this extended journey, we'll demystify its key concepts, dissect the jargon, and delve into the intricacies that define this new era of the internet. By the end of this in-depth exploration, you will possess a clear and comprehensive understanding of Web 3.0's implications for you and the broader digital world. But before we embark on this immersive journey, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and enable notifications. Join us as we make the world of tech accessible to all. Chapter 1, Web 1.0 and Web 2.0 Recap. To fully appreciate the significance of Web 3.0, let's take a more extensive journey into the past and understand how it builds upon the foundations laid by its predecessors. Web 1.0, often referred to as the static web, represented the internet's nascent stage. During this era, the web primarily served as a read-only digital library, where information was presented in a one-way fashion. It was an era of digital exploration, where users could access information but had limited opportunities for interaction and participation. With the advent of Web 2.0, the digital landscape underwent a profound transformation. Often characterized as the interactive web, Web 2.0 ushered in an era of user-generated content, social media platforms, and interactive websites. It was a digital revolution that empowered users to not only consume information, but also contribute to it. This era brought about the birth of social networking, online collaboration, and the democratization of content creation. Now let's visualize Web 3.0 as an evolutionary leap, building upon the foundations of Web 1.0 and 2.0. While Web 2.0 empowered users to actively participate in the digital world, Web 3.0 takes this a step further by introducing a host of transformative technologies that redefine how we interact with the internet. Chapter 2, The Building Blocks of Web 3.0. To grasp the essence of Web 3.0, it's imperative to delve deeper into the fundamental building blocks that set it apart from its predecessors. These elements collectively form the bedrock upon which Web 3.0 stands. Firstly, Web 3.0 is characterized by decentralization, a stark departure from the centralized control that was often associated with Web 2.0 platforms. In Web 3.0, the internet operates on a distributed network of interconnected computers, ensuring that no single entity or authority wields disproportionate power. At the heart of this decentralized web lies blockchain technology, a revolutionary concept that underpins transparency, security, and trust. Blockchain, initially popularized by cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, has evolved to support a plethora of decentralized applications, dApps, and smart contracts, which in turn enable an array of functionalities beyond digital currencies. Artificial intelligence, AI, is the cognitive powerhouse driving the intelligence of Web 3.0. Machine learning algorithms and neural networks analyze vast data sets to provide personalized recommendations, refine search results, and enhance overall user experiences. Web 3.0 is, in essence, a smarter and more intuitive digital realm, thanks to AI's omnipresence. Crucially, Web 3.0 shifts the paradigm of data ownership and control. Unlike the Web 2.0 landscape, where tech giants often held sway over user data, Web 3.0 empowers individuals with granular control over their privacy and personal information. It places the reins of data management squarely in the hands of users. Interoperability, another hallmark of Web 3.0, fosters seamless interactions between diverse applications and services. This interconnectedness ensures that users can effortlessly navigate a web landscape that seamlessly integrates various tools, services, and platforms. Immutability, as guaranteed by blockchain technology, ensures the unalterability of Web 3.0 content. Information stored on blockchain networks cannot be easily tampered with or censored, preserving data integrity. Web 3.0 brings forth augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR, ushering in an era of immersive digital experiences. These technologies extend far beyond gaming and entertainment, finding applications in fields as diverse as education, healthcare, and industrial design. The Internet of Things, IoT, is a pivotal component of Web 3.0, bridging the gap between the physical and digital worlds. IoT devices ranging from smart thermostats to wearables gather real-time data and seamlessly integrate with the web, offering valuable insights and automation capabilities. Smart contracts, enabled by blockchain technology, automate agreements and transactions. By reducing the need for intermediaries, these self-executing contracts streamline processes across industries, from finance to law and supply chain management. Chapter 3: Real-World Web 3.0 Applications. Having established the foundational elements of Web 3.0, it's time to explore concrete examples of how these building blocks are reshaping industries and everyday experiences. 1. Decentralized finance, DeFi. The financial sector is undergoing a tectonic shift as DeFi platforms challenge traditional banking, lending, and investment models. Decentralized exchanges, lending protocols, and yield farming have emerged as prominent facets of this financial revolution. 2. Non-fungible tokens, NFTs. NFTs are revolutionizing the world of digital art, collectibles, and ownership. These unique tokens, often based on blockchain technology, certify the authenticity and ownership of digital assets, leading to a burgeoning market for digital art and collectibles. 3. Virtual worlds and metaverses. Web 3.0 introduces us to virtual worlds and metaverses where social interactions, commerce, and even education occur in immersive digital environments. Examples like Decentraland, The Sandbox, and Somnium Space showcase the potential of these virtual realms. 4. Semantic web. The semantic web aims to make data more machine understandable by adding context and meaning to web content. This semantic enrichment facilitates improved search engines, data analysis, and more efficient information retrieval. 5. Privacy and cybersecurity. Web 3.0 places an unwavering emphasis on user privacy and cybersecurity. Blockchain-based solutions, including zero-knowledge proofs and decentralized identity systems, offer enhanced privacy features and empower individuals to take control of their personal information. 6. AI-driven personalization. AI-driven personal assistants and recommendations are becoming integral to our digital lives. These AI algorithms analyze user behavior and preferences, providing tailored content, services, and product recommendations. 7. Smart contracts in real estate. In the realm of real estate, smart contracts automate property transfers and lease agreements, simplifying and expediting the buying, selling, and renting processes while reducing the potential for disputes. 8. Blockchain and supply chain management. Web 3.0's decentralized nature finds a particularly valuable application in supply chain management. Blockchain ensures transparency and traceability in the movement of goods, reducing fraud and enhancing accountability. 9. Healthcare and telemedicine. Web 3.0 innovations are transforming healthcare through telemedicine, remote monitoring, and secure data sharing. Patients can access medical consultations and manage their health records with increased convenience and privacy. 10. Education and e-learning. E-learning platforms empowered by Web 3.0 technologies offer personalized learning experiences, adaptive content, and credential verification through blockchain, revolutionizing education and skill development. Chapter 4: How Web 3.0 impacts you. Now that we've examined the various facets of Web 3.0 and its real-world applications, let's delve into how this transformative era directly affects you, regardless of your role or interests. 1. User empowerment. Web 3.0 places you firmly in control of your data. Unlike the previous era, where tech giants held sway over your digital identity, Web 3.0 empowers individuals with the ability to manage, safeguard, and monetize their data. 2. Earning opportunities. Entrepreneurs, content creators, and artists stand to benefit significantly from Web 3.0. Whether through the creation and sale of NFTs, participation in DeFi protocols, or engagement on decentralized platforms, there are newfound avenues for direct monetization. 3. Immersive experiences. As a consumer, Web 3.0 promises more immersive digital experiences. Augmented and virtual reality technologies enhance entertainment, education, and even remote work, providing opportunities for richer and more interactive engagements. 4. Innovation and collaboration. Web 3.0's emphasis on interoperability fosters innovation and collaboration among developers and businesses. The interconnected nature of the decentralized web fuels the creation of exciting new applications and services. 5. Reduced intermediaries. Smart contracts and decentralized systems reduce the reliance on intermediaries in various processes. This has the potential to lower costs, increase efficiency, and reduce the likelihood of errors or disputes. 6. Data privacy. With user-centric data management and enhanced privacy features, Web 3.0 addresses growing concerns about data breaches and misuse. You have greater control over your personal information and can determine who accesses it and for what purpose. 7. Educational accessibility. Web 3.0 technologies are democratizing education. By offering personalized learning experiences, blockchain-verified credentials, and access to global educational resources, Web 3.0 is breaking down traditional barriers to knowledge and skills. 8. Career opportunities. The emergence of Web 3.0 technologies creates a demand for skilled professionals in fields such as blockchain development, AI, cybersecurity, and digital marketing. Exploring these career paths can lead to exciting opportunities in the digital age. In conclusion, Web 3.0 represents an exhilarating new chapter in the ongoing evolution of the Internet. It encompasses decentralization, AI-driven innovation, ownership, and user empowerment, promising a digital landscape where individuals have greater agency over their online experiences. As you continue your digital journey, stay vigilant and informed about the developments in Web 3.0, for they are set to shape the future of technology and the way we interact with the digital realm. The world of Web 3.0 is dynamic and ever-expanding, offering limitless possibilities for those who seek to explore its depths. If you found this extensive Web 3.0 guide enlightening and valuable, please show your appreciation by giving it a thumbs up, sharing it with your network, and subscribing. Stay tuned for a wealth of tech insights that not only simplify complex topics, but also empower you to navigate the ever-evolving digital landscape with confidence and clarity. Together, we embark on this journey into the future of the web, where possibilities are boundless, and knowledge is the key to unlocking a world of opportunities.